Video walkthrough of a fantastic 6-bed, 3-bath here in North Brighton. You walk right in, hardwood floors throughout. Left into bedroom number 1. Hardwood floors, gorgeous. Great size in this double door closet in the bedroom. Bedroom 2, also a good size. All these bedrooms are really good size. Double door closet here. There you see the stairs we come up. And we'll head down the hallway. Opens up into this awesome kitchen. Brand new kitchen, stainless steel appliances, granite countertops, got a nice breakfast bar over there. And we pirouette around. There you see your stove, built-in microwave. This goes out onto a porch over here, which is great. Parking in the back for up to 5 cars, really easy. And there you have the idea over there. This also functions as your living room. It's really the first of 2 living rooms as well that we'll see. Down the hall we go. Here is bedroom number 3. Good size in here, really a master bedroom because around the corner it has a full bathroom. It's the first of 3 bathrooms. And there's your double door closet here. Down the hall. Head around here. Another coat closet there. Bathroom number 2. Nice stand-up shower and toilet in the back over there. And up the stairs we go to the 2nd floor and the other 3 bedrooms. Also has this bonus little room over here. Really could make it a secondary living room if you wanted to. Down the hall, bedroom 4. Pretty standard. Bedroom 5. And here is bathroom number 3. Around here you have your nice stand-up shower and empties out into bedroom number 6. Fantastic North Brighton 6-bed, 3-bath, comes with parking, gas heat, central air. Come check it out. That concludes our video walkthrough.